Welcome to the 2020 Walking Challenge Part 2. So after last video there wasn't much rain around, but now we're actually going to go for a walk in the rain. We've had over 160 mils, so we're going to see how much water's flowing in the creek at the moment and try and get a couple of Ks onto the 2020 Walking Challenge. So let's see how we go. So nice. I just hope we get some more follow-up rain. This is just this is quite awesome. So after my last video I was up to 20.7 because I did a 1.1k walk, which I added. So yeah, still behind the 8 ball, but we will catch up. Obviously from the heavy rain last night, it's gone over the water here. Stuff's blown over. I've been so dry for so long. This is awesome. This little puddle here hasn't had water in it for I can't remember when. So it's so nice to see water. So obviously not worrying about the pace today or overly big walk. We're just coming for a look, trying to get a few Ks up. Was going to come this morning and do a long walk, but of course it was pouring rain since since midnight, and then it stopped about 11 o'clock. It was about 10 or 11 hours anyway of non-stop rain. Would have been flowing nice through here earlier. Platypus will be loving this, and the fish and everything else that likes the water. Getting a bit more height. Right, there's hardly any water running at all before. Well, this is pretty cool. All we usually see here these days is weeds, but now with the water, platypus will be loving to get through all that now. And then of course we have our resting spot when we feel like a quick rest. So it's starting to rain a bit again. It's lovely. Sort of just poured down a bit. Had a bit of a shower. So it's been a bit on and off for Savi, but so nice. Okay, we're getting to the end of the walk. End of the walk now. A bit over 3 Ks, so that's not too bad. We'll see what it ends up being. Okay, so we just got in the car and we just completed the walk in the rain, 3.37 Ks. So we'll see how that adds up to what we've done out of the 2020 and what I've got left. I have done 25.07 kilometres so far, and that leaves me with 1994.93 kilometres left to go. So that's where I'm up to at this stage.